Welcome to maths class, and today we'll do large numbers. So here you can see a picture. In this picture, Ravi, Meenal and Pari, they are playing a games using number toys. So you can see three of them, they are playing with the number toys. Ravi has 2, 5 and 7 number toy, Meenal has 3, 6 and 9 number toys, and Pari has 4, 8 and 1 number toys. Make the largest and smallest number using the numbers of Ravi. So if we take Ravi, we have to make the largest number. Largest number, that means we have to arrange the number in descending order. So that is 752 and smallest will be 257. Clear? Next, let's revise. Write the number name for each of the following. So 875, 875, that is 875. Clear? Next, write the numeral for each of the following. 422. So you will write 422. Clear? Next is represent the following numbers on the abacus. We have to represent 355. So this is our number, ones, tens and 100. So 5 beats at ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 beats at tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 beats at 100 place, 1, 2, 3. So our number is 355. Clear? Next, write the face value of the color digit in each of the following. So face value of any number is number itself. Like 329, 2 is at tens place, but face value क्या होगी 2. Next, write the place value of the color digit in each of the following. So our number is 582. 8, that is the color digit, it is a tens place, so place value will be 80. Next, write the expanded form of the following. 456. So expanded form will be 400 plus 50 plus 6. Next, write the short form of each of the following. 400 plus 70 plus 2. So short form में हो जाएगा 472. Next, write the predecessor of each of the following. Predecessor means the number that comes just before the given number. So predecessor of 607, that is 606. 106. Clear? Next is 4-digit numbers. So we have read up to 3-digit number. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. 999 greatest 3-digit number है. If we add 1 to it, we'll get a 4-digit number, that is 1000, and it is the 4-digit smallest number. Clear? So if we add 1 to 3-digit smaller number, that is 999, we'll get a 4-digit smallest number, that is 1000. So 10 hundreds means 10 into 100, that is equals to 1000. Next is some more 4-digit numbers. 1001, we'll read it as 1001, 1002, 1003, 1098, 3152, 6725 and 9999. क्लियर? सो इस तरीके से रीड करेंगे. पहले हम 1000 वाले डिजिट को रीड करेंगे लाइक 9000, देन 100 एंड लास्ट की 2 डिजिट वंस टेंस की उनको साथ में रीड करेंगे. सो 9999. Next, 4-digit numbers on the abacus. How will represent the 4-digit number on abacus? So as abacus is a counting tool, it is easy way to represent the numbers. So to represent a 4-digit number, we need 4 rods or 4 spikes and in an abacus. So 4 spikes चाहिए, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 1000 को इस तरीके से हम represent करेंगे. 1 beat at 1000 place, no beat at 100, no beat at tens place, no beat at ones place. So next our number is 3564. So ones की place पे 4 है, 4 digit, 6 at tens, so 6 digits, 6 beats हो जाएंगी tens की place पे, 5 beats at 100 place and 3 beats at the thousand place. So this is how we'll represent a 4-digit number on abacus. Next is 5-digit numbers. So 9,999. If we add 1 to it, 9,999, that is the greatest 4-digit number. If we add 1 to it, we'll get the 5-digit smallest number, that is 10,000. When we add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, we'll get smallest 5-digit number. 99,999, that is the largest or greatest 5-digit number. So let us see how to represent 5-digit number on abacus. So we have to represent 5-digit number, so we need 5 rod of 5 spikes. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So 10,000 को इस तरीके से represent करेंगे, 1 beat at 10,000 and no beats other places. Clear? Next our number is 99,999. So 9 beats at ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 place. This is how we'll represent. Next is 6-digit numbers. 99,999. If we add 1 to it, we'll get 1 lakh. That is the smallest 6-digit number. If we add 1 to the largest 5-digit number, we get the smallest 6-digit number. 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number. Let us see how to represent a 6-digit number on abacus. So 6-digit number, that means we need 6 spikes. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Clear? So this is how. Legs की position पे 1 beats, no beats as other place. This is how we'll represent 1 lakh. Next, 9,99,999 को इस तरीके से represent करेंगे. Next, evolution time 1.1. Write the numeral for each of the following. 2071. So 2000, 200 की place पे 0 आ जाएगा. 71. This is how will you represent. Clear? Next, write the number name for each of the following. 3047. So 3047. This is how we'll write. 3047. Clear? Next, to represent the given number on the abacus and write the number. So first ones की place पे 8 है, 5 at tens place, 2 at 100 place and 5 at 1000 place. So 8 beat at ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 beats at tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 beats at 100 place. 2 beats draw कर देंगे and 5 beats at 1000 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, count and write the number in the box. So we have to count the beats and write the numbers. So how many beats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3 and 4. So our number is 4,325. Clear? Next, complete the following number grid by filling the missing numbers. So we know the counting: 4,051, 4,052, 4,053, 4,054, 4,055. Like this, you have to write the counting. Clear? So counting by fives, that means we have to skip 4 number and write the 5 numbers. So 3505 and 3510. Next, counting by tens and write the number starting from 2,170, 2,180, 2,190. Next, counting by 20s and write the number starting from 6,340. So 20 है, तो अगर 10 skip करेंगे तो 50, 20 skip करेंगे तो 60. 6,360. इस तरीके से आपको सारे नंबर्स लिखने हैं. Next, place value and face value. Now what is place value? Place value of digit of the given number is the value of the digit due to its place or the position in the numbers. So जो given digit है वो number में किस place पे है? On that its place value depend. For example, our number is 5,312. So ones की position पे 2 है, tens पे 1 है, 100 पे 3 है and 5 at 1000 place. Clear? So 2 at 1's place, so place value of 2 equals to 2 into 1, that is 2. Tens की place पे 1 है, so place value 1 into 10, that is 10. 3 at 100 place, so place value 3 into 100, 300. And 5 at 1000 place, so 5 into 1000, 5000. Clear? And face value of digit is the value of digit itself. It does not depend on the place or the position of the number. So if we talk about the face value, so face value of 1 is 1, 3 is 3, 4 is 4 and 2 is 2. So the place value of 0 is always 0. 0 की place value हमेशा 0 रहेगी, चाहे वो किसी भी पोजीशन पे हो. Next is evaluation time 1.2. Write the place value of each of the digit in the following number. So we have to write the place value 1 at 1's place, so place value 1, 3 tens की place पे 30 हो जाएगी, 4 की 400 and 2 की 2000. Clear? Next, write the place value of the color digit in the following number. So you have to write the place value of 7 tens place, so place value हो जाएगी 70. Next, write the face value of each of the following numbers. So face value is the digit itself. So 2 की 2, 3 की 3, 1 की 1 and 7 की 7. Next, write the face value of the colored digit in the following number. So 5 की जो face value, that is 5 itself. Next, expanded form and short form. Writing a number as the sum of the place value. अगर किसी की भी number को अगर हम उसके place value के sum की form में लिखते हैं, that is known as expanded form. And when we add the place value of all digit of the number, we will get the short form of the number. Clear? For example, write the expanded form of the following: 6728. So उसकी place value के according लिखेंगे. So 6000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 8. That is the expanded form of given number. Next is evaluation time 1.3. Write each of the following in short form: 8000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 2. So इनका sum करेंगे, that is equals to 8582. Clear? Next, write each of the following in expanded form: 2482. So expanded form हो जाएगी 2000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 2. Next, successor and predecessor of a number. The number that comes just after the given number, that is called as successor. इसको हम 1 ऐड करके obtain कर सकते हैं. Like 4258, successor क्या हो जाएगा? If we add 1 to it, that is 4259. Next is predecessor. The number that comes just before the given number, that is known as predecessor. If we subtract 1 from the given number, we will get its predecessor. 5797 as predecessor अगर minus करेंगे, that is 5796. Next, evaluation time 1.4. Write the successor of each of the following. 5785 successor हो जाएगा 5786. Next, write the predecessor of each of the following. Means we have to subtract 1 from it, 4820. That is its predecessor. Next, comparison of number. Now we learn how will we compare two numbers, which one is greater and which one is lesser. So when the numbers have the different number of digit, case 1, different cases are given here. Case 1, if the number of digits are different, so the number which are having the more digit will be greater than the other number. Like here we have to compare two numbers, 864 and 8125. 864, that is 3-digit number, and 8125, that is 4-digit number. So a 4-digit number will be greater than a 3-digit number. Clear? Case 2, when the numbers have the same number of digit. In case we start comparing leftmost of the both place, the number with the greater digit is greater. If their leftmost digit is same, then we compare their next corresponding digit and so on. Example समझते हैं. We have to compare 6996 and 3487. So whenever we start comparing a number, we start from the leftmost digit. Here it is 6 and here it is 3. 6 is greater than 3. So 6996 will be greater than 3487. Next is ordering number. Arranging number in the ascending or descending order, that is known as ordering number. Ascending order, means increasing order. If we arrange the number from smallest to greatest, that is known as ascending order. Descending order की बात करें, if we arrange the given number from greatest to smallest, that is known as descending order. Now we'll take an example here. Arrange the following number in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So we will compare the numbers here. Rest all the number are 4-digit number, but 684 is 3-digit number. So that will be the smallest. Start from 684. Now, if we'll compare, we'll find out. उसके बाद जो smallest number हो जाएगा among these numbers, that is 7,524, then 8,569, and greatest will be 9,057. So this is the ascending order of given number. Next, evaluation time 1.5. Put less than, greater than, or equal to sign. 3,216 and 516. So 3,216 will be greater than 516 because one is 3-digit number and other is 4-digit number. Next, encircle the smallest number. Smallest means सबसे छोटा number. Among all these numbers, the smallest is 3,983. बिकॉज अब कंपेयर करेंगे लेफ्ट मोस्ट पे सबसे जो छोटी डिजिट है वो उस नंबर पे. नेक्स्ट, इंसर्कल द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. सो द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर विल बी 9,036. नेक्स्ट, अरेंज ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. असेंडिंग मीन्स इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. क्लियर? सो हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्मॉलेस्ट, दैट इज 2,139, देन 4,239, then 5,210, and the greatest is 7,203. That is the ascending order. Next, arrange each of the following in descending order. Descending means decreasing order. Start from the greatest number, that is 8,192, then 5,481, then 3,258, and the smallest is 2,849. Clear? Next, formation of the number with the given digit. So we can form many numbers with the help of the given digit. For example, form number by using 8, 5, 4 and 3. We have to use these digits and form numbers. So we can make different combination like 8,543, 5,843, 4,583, 4,538. So here 8,543 is the greatest and 3,458, that is the smallest number formed by the given digit. नेक्स्ट, प्रोसीजर फॉर फॉर्मिंग द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. किस तरीके से हम ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर फॉर्म करेंगे? विद द गिवन डिजिट. अरेंज ऑल द गिवन डिजिट इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. हमें डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करनी है. फॉर्म द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ डिजिट 9, 8, 5 एंड 2. हमें इससे ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट फॉर्म करनी है, तो इसके लिए हम डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करेंगे. सो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर विल बी 9,852. नेक्स्ट, प्रोसीजर फॉर फॉर्मिंग स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. Arrange the given digit in ascending order. If 0 is one of the given digit, then start the number from the second smallest digit, because we cannot start a number with 0. Then the other than 0, then arrange other digit in ascending order. Next, form the smallest number using the given digit. 6, 4, 2 and 8. Now we have to मेक द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर के लिए हम असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करेंगे. सो हो जाएगा 2,468. नेक्स्ट इज इवोल्यूशन टाइम 1.6. फॉर्म द 4 डिफरेंट नंबर्स विद द गिवन डिजिट. सो 4 डिफरेंट नंबर 4,815, 8,415, 5,481 and 1,584. क्लियर? इस तरीके से आप डिफरेंट नंबर्स बना सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, फॉर्म द ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर यूजिंग द गिवन डिजिट. स्मॉलेस्ट एंड ग्रेटेस्ट. ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर विल बी 8,650 and the smallest will be 5 and 5, 0, 6, 8. Clear? Next, rounding of the number. Sometimes we do not write to tell the exact number. We just tell the round of number. For example, about 260 participated in the craft competition. It may be 263 or 256. उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, कम भी हो सकता है. We are just giving a rough idea कि exactly इतने हो सकते हैं. Similarly, if we say about 80,000 people come to see the cricket match, it doesn't mean that exactly 80,000 लोग ही आए हैं. उससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, कम भी हो सकता है. We round off the number to estimate the figure. It is easy to write and learn round of numbers. There are certain rules to round off the number to nearest tens, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. So Neha, what a fantastic match it was. Everyone in the stadium enjoyed it. You are right, Romy. How many people do you think have come to see the match? मैच देखने जाते हैं और जो नेहा का फ्रेंड है रोनी, वो कहता है बहुत एक्साइटिंग मैच था. नेहा आस्क हिम कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि कितने जो लोग हैं वो मैच देखने आए थे. आई कैन टेल यू द एग्जैक्ट नंबर. आई नो द सीटिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द स्टेडियम, दैट इज़ 5100 एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द सीट्स वर ऑक्यूपाइड. सो आई गेस देयर वर अबाउट 5000 पीपल. वो कहता है कि मुझे एग्जैक्ट आइडिया तो नहीं है, बट जो सिटिंग कैपेसिटी 5100 है और मोस्टली सारी सीट्स फिल थी, तो हो सकता है कि 5000 के अराउंड पीपल आए हो. वाह रोमिल, यू गेव आंसर ऑफ माई क्वेश्चन बाय यूजिंग राउंड ऑफ मेथड, दैट्स ग्रेट. क्लियर? तो इस तरीके से आप जो हैं राउंड ऑफ करके नंबर्स को आइडिया दे सकते हैं कि कितना होगा. राउंड ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट टेंस. Round of 14 and 18 to nearest 10. So 14 is nearer to 10 compared to 20. 14 जो है 10 के ज़्यादा पास है. अगर कंपेयर करें which two tens, 10 and 20 के बीच में आता है 14, so it is more nearer to 10. Clear? So और अगर हम बात करें 18 की, it is nearer to 20. So 14 राउंड ऑफ होकर जाएगा 10 and 18 राउंड ऑफ होकर जाएगा 20. If one's place digit is less than 5, then replace one's place digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. Like here 643. हमें इसको राउंड ऑफ करना है. क्लियर? सो राउंड ऑफ करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम क्या देखेंगे? हम देखेंगे कि जो अगर टेंस पे करना है, वंस की प्लेस की डिजिट हियर इट इज़ 3. 3 इज़ लेस देन 5, तो कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. ओनली जो वंस की प्लेस की डिजिट है वो 0 हो जाएगी, तो जाएगा 640. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, राउंडिंग ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट 100. राउंड ऑफ 164 एंड 246 टू नियरेस्ट 100. 264 इज नियरर टू 300. कौन से दो हंड्रेड्स के बीच में? 200 और 300 के, बट ज़्यादा किसके पास है? 300 के. सो 264 राउंड ऑफ होकर हो जाएगा 300 and 346 is nearer to 300 compared to 400, तो वो राउंड ऑफ होकर जाएगा 300. क्लियर? जिस भी पोजीशन पे हमें राउंड ऑफ करना है उसके राइट हैंड साइड वाला नंबर देखना है, उससे हम पता लगाएंगे. नाउ विल सी द रूल्स. If the tens place digit is less than 5, then replace the digit of the tens and ones place by 0 and keep the other digit as same. Like 547. So tens की प्लेस की डिजिट जो है दैट इज़ 4, विच इज़ लेस देन 5. या तो इक्वल होनी चाहिए या उससे छोटी होनी चाहिए. सो 547 राउंड ऑफ हो जाएगा 500. इस तरीके से 622 हो जाएगा 600. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, रूल नंबर 2. इफ द टेंस प्लेस डिजिट इज़ 5 और 5 मोर देन, इंक्रीज द 100 प्लेस डिजिट बाय 1 एंड रीप्लेस द टेंस प्लेस and ones place digit by 0, like 558. क्लियर? हमें राउंड ऑफ करना 100 पे, तो हम क्या करेंगे? उसके बाद वाली डिजिट, मतलब टेंस की प्लेस वाली डिजिट को देखेंगे. यहाँ पे टेंस की प्लेस वाली डिजिट, इफ़ इट इज़ 5 और मोर देन 5, हियर इट इज़ 5. क्लियर? सो ये राउंड ऑफ होके क्या हो जाएगा? 600. 884 राउंड ऑफ होके हो जाएगा 900. द सेम प्रोसेस वुड बी अप्लाइड फॉर राउंडिंग ऑफ द नंबर टू नियरेस्ट 1000. इसी तरीके से हम नियरेस्ट 1000, नियरेस्ट 10,000 इसी तरीके से राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. नेक्स्ट, इवोल्यूशन टाइम 1.7. राउंड ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स टू नियरेस्ट टेंस. सो नियरेस्ट टेंस पे राउंड ऑफ करना है. 843, सो ये हो जाएगा 840. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, राउंड ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर टू नियरेस्ट 100. 576 नियरेस्ट 100 मीन्स हम टेंस की प्लेस की डिजिट देखेंगे. हेयर इट इज़ 7 विच इज़ मोर देन 5. तो ये राउंड ऑफ होगी, इसकी जो वैल्यू है वो 1 इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, बाकी सारी 0 हो जाएगी. 600. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज रोमन न्यूमरल्स. रोमन न्यूमरल्स इज वन ऑफ द अर्ली सिस्टम ऑफ राइटिंग न्यूमरल्स. जो अर्ली रोमन्स थे वो यूज़ करते थे इस सिस्टम. देयर आर 7 बेसिक सिंबल इन दिस सिस्टम. द सिंबल्स फॉर 1, 2, 3 and 4 that is known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here is a comparative table of Roman numeral and Hindu-Arabic numerals is given here. Like Hindu-Arabic का 1, Roman numeral में I, Hindu-Arabic में 5 and Roman numeral में V, Hindu-Arabic में 10, Roman numeral में हो जाएगा X and 50 के लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे L. Clear? Next is, in this class we will read only up to 100 numbers. There are certain rules to write the Roman numerals. कुछ रूल्स होते हैं जो हमें फॉलो करने होते हैं जब हम रोमन न्यूमरल से क्लियर होते हैं. रूल नंबर 1, रिपीटेशन ऑफ न्यूमरल्स मीन्स एडिशन. अगर कोई जो भी सिंबल है वो रिपीट हो रहा है, इसका मतलब उसको क्या करना है, ऐड. नो सिंबल कैन बी रिपीटेड मोर देन 3 टाइम्स. 3 टाइम्स से ज़्यादा किसी भी सिंबल को रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. क्लियर. रूल नंबर 2, if a smaller numeral is written on the right side of numeral then it is added to the largest numeral. अगर जो smaller numeral है वो right side में लिखा है large वाले के, that means उसकी value add होगी. like 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, तो क्या हो गया 8. xi, x means 10 or 1 dada. xi, 10 plus 1, 11. Rule 3, if a smaller numeral is written on the left of the larger numeral, अगर larger numeral के left side पे smaller numeral है, then its value is subtracted from the larger numeral. Like IV, so I smaller है and V is for 5, that is greater, उसके left side में तो value subtract होगी. 5 minus 1, that is 4. IX, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. Rule number 4, when the smaller number is placed between the two large numerals, then it is subtracted from the larger number immediately following it. Like XIV, so X और V के बीच में I है, दो ग्रेटर न्यूमरल के बीच में स्मॉलर न्यूमरल है, तो जस्ट उसके बाद में कौन सा नंबर है, I के जस्ट बाद में है V, that is 5. सो उसमें से वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी. सो 10 plus 5 minus 1, that is 40. XIX हो जाएगा 19. Now we'll take an example. Express each of the following as Roman numerals. 17 को हम रोमन न्यूमरल में लिखेंगे x, that is for 10 and 7 VII, तो ये हो जाएगा 70. I can be subtracted from V and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. So these things we have to keep in mind. Next is evolution time 1.8. Express each of the following as Roman numerals. So 37, X, that is for 37, VII, that is 37. Next, express each of the following as Hindu-Arabic numerals. XXIX, so XX, that is 10 plus 10, 20, and IX, that is 9. So number हो जाएगा 29. Look back. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number and 999, that is the greatest 3-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999, that is the greatest 4-digit number. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. The place value of digit that depend on the place in the number, and face value of digit is the value of digit itself. Place value of 0 is always 0. Writing number as the sum of their place value of its digit is known as expanded form of the number. The number that comes just after the given number, that is called successor, and the number that comes just before the given number, that is known as predecessor. Arranging numbers from smallest to largest, that is called ascending order, and arranging the number from greatest to smallest, that is known as descending order. So that is called descending order of number. Next is mental zone. The place value of 4 in the given number 3764 is 4 at one's place, so place value हो जाएगी 4. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. The Roman symbol L, that stand for, L is for 50. So C is the correct option here. So here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया है. Now you have to practice it.